Ginisa ng gusto kanina si Justice Secretary Laila De Lima sa pagharap niya sa pagdinig ng Commission on Appointments para sa kanyang kumpirmasyon. Si Senador Jinggoy Estrada na nadadawit sa pork barrel scam at isa sa mga pinakakasuhan ng Department of Justice ay maraming inungkat sa na-issue laban kay De Lima. Nakatutok si Jam Sisante.
But I can say that there is one quality that a Secretary of Justice must have, and which I know I deliver and will continue to deliver. The singular tenacity to do what needs to be done without fear or favor.
Hindi naging madali para kay Justice Secretary Laila De Lima ang pagsalang sa Commission on Appointments. Hinarap niya si Senador Jinggoy Estrada, isa sa mga senador na sinampahan niya ng reklamong plunder kaugnay ng pork barrel scam. Isa sa banat ni Estrada, tumanggap daw si De Lima ng 1 milyong pisong allowance mula sa PAGCOR noong chairman pa siya ng Commission on Human Rights.
Isn't it true that Ms. Arroyo gave you an additional 1 million a month coming from PAGCOR as your allowance, additional allowance?
There was a confidential fund allotted to the CHR.
Oh, but hindi niyo po
But that is not
sinasabi.
an additional allowance, sir.
How much was it?
Various amounts.
Ranging from
500,
a month?
not a month, sir. Sometimes it's about quarterly.
Inungkat ni Estrada na minsan naging abogado si De Lima ni dating Palawan Governor Joel Reyes na pinaghahanap ngayon dahil sa kasong pagpatay sa journalist at environmentalist na si Jerry Ortega.
Didn't you give him more preference because he
can
was your former client?
Of course not, Your Honor. I never do that.
Okay.
Nilinaw din ni Estrada kay De Lima na haharapin ito ang pork barrel scam. Nalaman daw kasi ni Estrada na pinabantayan siya ni De Lima sa Bureau of Immigration nang minsang lumabas ng bansa.
I will face the charges. Fabricated though, I will face them in court.
With due respect, I disagree that these cases are fabricated. We will never.
Well, that is my opinion.
I respect your opinion, sir, but we
And
will
I will
never
also
have
respect your
filed those
opinion, madam.
cases.
Pero sa bandang huli, sinabi ni Estrada na hindi niya haharangin ang kumpirmasyon ni De Lima. Nasa hearing din ng presidente ng Whistleblowers Association na si Sandra Cam para tutulan ang pag-confirm kay De Lima. Pinapaboran daw kasi nito ang tinuturong pork barrel mastermind na si Janet Lim Napoles.
Ang pagpupunta ng isang Secretary of Justice sa architect ng iskandalong ito ay isa na dapat hindi siya ma-confirm as Secretary of Justice.
Mrs. Napoles was the one, through her lawyers, was the one who approached me and indicated her desire to allegedly or supposedly tell all. As part of our truth-seeking mandate, why wouldn't I listen? We have never taken her word for it.
Naging emosyonal pa si Cam.
Tingin niya sa mga whistleblowers ay kaya lang gamitin ng gobyerno. Now, I want to emphasize, as the president of the Whistleblowers Association, we are not maliliit na tao.
I consider her to be a friend, so I'm not sure why she has such negative thoughts about me.
Humarap din sa Commission on Appointments si Heidi Mendoza ng Commission on Audit. COA ang naglabas ng report na ilang mambabatas kasama si Estrada ang naglagak ng pork barrel fund sa mga peking NGO ni Napoles at iba pang peking foundation. Inungkat ni Estrada ang condo unit daw ni Mendoza sa Sendra at ang mga biyahe raw nito sa labas ng bansa.
Majority of my travels, Your Honors, if not all, are shouldered not by government funds, Your Honor. At nare-return pa po ako ng excess per diem kung kinakailangan po, Your Honor.
Never nag-shoulder ang POA ng pamasahe mo, bro?
Meron pong ilan, mangilan-ngilan.
Pinababalik si Mendoza sa pagdinig ng CA sa susunod na linggo para sagutin ang iba pang tanong ni Senador Estrada. Jam Sisante, nakatutok, 24 oras.